There's nothing quite like coming home to a meal that's been simmering all day, and the right slow cooker can completely transform your weeknight routine. Today we're counting down the 5 best slow cookers of 2026, from simple no-frills models to feature-packed multi-cookers that do it all. All the buy links are in the description below, so make sure to check those out. And if this video helps you out, drop a like, share it with someone who loves home cooking, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Let's get into it. Starting at number 1, the best multi-cooker overall. This handsome, multifunctional model truly excels at rice, soups, and stews, and beyond slow cooking, it can also brown, sauté, roast, and steam, letting you sear food right in the insert before simmering it low and slow. An ultra-low simmer mode lets you cook food gently or keep it piping hot for serving whenever you're ready. The stainless steel base is refreshingly intuitive, with a small LCD panel and buttons that made it one of the easiest programmable models to use without ever touching the manual, and it automatically switches to a warm setting for 8 hours after cooking finishes. In testing, the pot roast came out incredibly close to something cooked on the stovetop, moist, tender, and flavorful, with the roast staying intact enough to slice beautifully. Butter chicken held its shape while soaking up the sauce, and a hearty chili finished rich and chunky with perfectly cooked beef and beans. Since it automatically shifts to keep warm, you don't have to worry about overcooking dinner if you're running late. Safety-wise, only the rim of the cooking vessel gets too hot to touch, while the handles and front panel stay cool. The insert also has oversized handles for easy lifting, and its aluminum non-stick finish is far easier to clean than the heavy ceramic crocks found on most other models. Moving on to number 2, the best slow cooker overall for anyone who just wants something simple and reliable. This no-frills 5-quart model is perfect for family dinners or weekly meal prep without unnecessary bells and whistles. It features adjustable temperature control, a removable dishwasher-safe pot, and a sleek stainless steel design that looks great sitting out on the counter. The cooking vessel is even oven-safe for braising, and the base doubles as a griddle for extra versatility. Most dishes turned out delicious and evenly cooked in testing, though the pot roast with vegetables was a bit of a letdown. The carrots and potatoes stayed harder than expected even after 8 hours of cooking. On the plus side, both the chili and chicken dishes came out full of flavor and well cooked, and cleanup was a breeze thanks to the dishwasher-safe components. Next up at number 3, the best upgrade pick on our list. Yes, it comes at a higher price, but the cooking performance, versatility, and style make it worth considering. It features a glossy exterior with elegant stainless steel handles and comes in several color options. The control panel includes low, high, warm, and simmer settings, plus a reheat function that's fairly rare to find on a slow cooker. The brown and sauté functions let you sear meat directly in the unit before slow cooking, saving you from dirtying a separate pan, and it automatically shifts to keep warm mode for 8 hours once cooking wraps up. During testing, the pot roast came out absolutely perfect, moist and flavorful enough to carve into beautiful thin slices, with fork-tender vegetables that still held their shape. Butter chicken turned out exceptionally tender without shredding, and the chili kept its texture with a rich, complex sauce that stayed at serving temperature for hours on keep warm. The exterior and handles remain cool throughout cooking, though you'll want a pot holder for the glass lid, and the insert doubles as stovetop and oven-safe cookware. It's dishwasher-safe too, but its lightweight aluminum build makes hand-washing easy as well. At number 4, a versatile pick that goes well beyond just slow cooking. This one comes loaded with pre-programmed functions designed to get dinner on the table faster, and while it makes an excellent batch of slow-cooked chili, it doesn't stop there. Alongside standard slow cooking and searing functions, it also handles grains like pasta, oats, and rice with impressive results, essentially eliminating the need for a separate rice cooker in your kitchen. It also excels at keeping food warm after cooking, delivering ultra-tender butter chicken and pot roast, all in one convenient dishwasher-safe pot. The one area that fell short in testing was the oats function, which left excess liquid behind, meaning you'll need to drain them before serving, though the oats themselves still came out tender and enjoyable. And finally, at number 5, a smart pick for anyone who takes meal prepping seriously. This model's digital controls and built-in temperature probe help deliver consistent results across different dishes, and that same probe function allows for sous-vide cooking in addition to traditional slow cooking. Using the probe, a pot roast came out tender without being overdone, though the potatoes ended up a bit underdone in that same test. Switching to the low slow cook setting told a different story. The meat fell apart and shredded easily, while a butter chicken test using the same setting came out noticeably overcooked. It's also worth noting that the keep warm setting on this model actually continues cooking at a higher temperature rather than simply holding food, so keep that in mind for timing. The base and ceramic crock do get quite hot during use, but the handles and lid stay cool for safe handling, and side clips let you securely latch the lid shut for easy transport to potlucks or family gatherings. And that wraps up our picks for the 5 best slow cookers of 2026. Whether you want a simple everyday model or an all-in-one multi-cooker, there's an option here for every kind of home cook. All the buy links for every product mentioned today are right there in the description box, so go ahead and check those out. If this video helped you find your next slow cooker, smash that like button, share it with someone who needs one, and subscribe for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.